Okay, so we're at week 8, assignment 2, and this also is a multi-step assignment. The video that you're watching now is right here. I put an extra page in here that has the actual step-by-step instructions so that you know what you would have to do. So I'm going to just go over them quickly and then I will do it with you or for you. So you're going to read and listen to the article Lunches Around the World. So if you go here, there is a reading passage right here. And if you click on it, you will read it, and it's about what do kids in other countries have for lunch. All right. If you would like, you can go to the next one down, which is the audio recording. This is an audio recording of this passage being read. So if you click on it, oh, it downloads, sorry, and then you would have to open it on your computer. All right, then the next thing you would have to do is, once you've done that and read it or listened to it, you have to do the 7-question assessment. Okay, so it's basically comprehension questions, just like you get in language arts or any other class. So if you go here, and these are all multiple choice. So it's this one here, and you would go here, and basically it's a question and an answer. You only get to take this once. It is a true quiz. It is reading comprehension, so pay attention to what you read. All right, second. Okay, so then that's the easy part. Now, this is where it gets a little bit different. And the reason why, as I told you in the first video, is that this is only an 8-week quarter because we started a week late. So my assignments got messed up and I didn't realize it until pretty much this week. So we're kind of putting 2 assignments together. I'm making them a little easier, different type thing, but you're doing 2 different skills during this assignment. So if you go to assignment 2, and we're back at our step-by-step. Okay, the next part of this is that I want you to go on Google and I want you to find 10 pictures that visually represent the places or things in the article. So what that means is, if you go to the article, and when you were reading it or listening to it, if you said, oh, I wonder what that looks like, or I wonder where that is, or something like that, that's what I want you to make a picture of, or find a picture of, not make it. So, oh, wrong one. So if I'm here and I was going and let's see, what would I have? Starches. So I don't know. I pretty much know what all of these do look like. Maybe I might want to know what puff pastries with ground meat look like. So if I wanted to do that, I could. I mean, you can copy it from here, or you can just type it in, and you would go to Google, and you can find an image of what it might look like. Okay, so you can find an image of what one looks like, whatever you think it would be. I'll take this one for now. All right, so now we're going to save this picture to your computer. So if I right click and I say save image as, and on your computer you should have one. If not, wherever you're going to put it is fine, but you need to have a folder called lunches, because this skill is not uploading a file to OneDrive, but a folder to OneDrive. So I'm going to go here to my Intro to Computer Apps, and here's there's two ways you can easily make a new folder. So the first way is if I click here at New Folder and I can type in lunch. Okay, that's what I want you to name it. The second way you could make it if you want is if you go somewhere right here in this white area and you right click and you go down to New Folder, and then you can name it lunch. Okay, I had to name it lunch 1 because you can't have two folders named the same. You only have to have one of these. I just showed you two different ways to make it. So once you click on lunch, see how this is named MG4457? Well, that doesn't tell me anything. So I'm going to name this puff pastry. Remember, I told you the more detailed your names can be, the better off you will be if you need to try to find it. And then you would hit save. Okay? So you have to do this for 10 pictures. So I could go down here and say, oh, where's Beirut, Lebanon? And get a picture of Beirut and put it there. I can, whatever it is, but I need 10 pictures of stuff that you go, oh, I wonder what that looks like, or where that is, or something like that. So that's what I want you to do with the 10 pictures. All right, so now once you have your 10 pictures, I'm going to go back here so that you can see my step-by-step. Okay, so then you are going to upload this whole lunch folder to OneDrive, and you're going to put it under images. So I put the path right here. So it's the SSO, single sign-on, the Office 365 tile, OneDrive, Intro to Computer Apps, and Images. So if I am here and I go to, this is my SSO, my 365 tile, I'll say yes. It does not matter if I say yes or no. I'm going to go down here on the left side to the one that looks like a cloud and go to OneDrive. I will find my file, Intro to Computer Apps, that was created in one of the previous ones, and we made a folder called Images. So if I click on Images, there's nothing here. However, I want to upload, but instead of a file like we have done the last two times, we're going to upload a folder. So now you would go and you would find it. So if it was on the desktop, my Intro to Computer Apps, my lunch folder, and then I hit upload. If it asks you if you trust the site, say yes, because it's your computer. And then you will have your folder here. So inside here, there's my puff pastry. Okay? All right, so that's what we're going to do for assignment 2. As always, if you have any questions, message me or contact me, and I will help you out. Have a great day.